Hey guys, we received these Dream Pairs Kids shoes for test and try. As you can see, comes in a really small box. So let me just open. It's a gray color, size 13. So it's really looks good with this Velcro on the top. So there's no laces to tie for the kids, and it's pretty easy. So I will just remove all this packing and show you the shoe. So you can see is a meshy, nice design, and Dream Pairs written on top of it, and also like a cushionable sole with this memory foam that you can adjust, and also this arch support. So here also you can see the second pair are the same thing. There's a velcro on the top of it so it will not slip anywhere, and this holds well, and then it's a soft cushion in the shoe with a nice sole. So this one is good for everyday use for the kids, and is pretty nice and soft. So also like from the side feels really nice. So let me just get it in the working situation. Is a meshy design, so good flow of the air, and then also a nice glue stuff. So in the feet looks really good and comfortable. It's without socks, so it's fine, and then looks fine too. So nice shoes.